Okay, we're going to use a two-good model and learn how to calculate output for an economy that's producing more than one final good. Well, we learned for two goods, it's the same logic as we'd use for any number of goods. So we'll start with production. It's a hypothetical, so we look at years like year 1 and year 2. And we talk about products like bread and, let's say, suits. Just like our early PPF model or gains from trade model. So let's suppose production is 500 loaves of bread in year 1 and 600 loaves of bread in year 2, and 50 suits in year 1, 55 suits in year 2. First thing to do is make sure you can compare how much of each good is being produced. For that, what do? We'll fill this in later. Maybe you know. How do you compare? Anyhow, the point for our purposes is we want to know how much output there is. What's the total here? Well, if you think about it, you're going to say, aha, of course, we're just going to use the market prices to tell us the market values, and we're going to describe output as the value of production. So let's suppose, for the sake of argument, that the price of food is, let's make it easy, $1 per loaf. And let's suppose the price of clothing is $5 per suit. Pretty cheap suits, I know, but don't worry about it. So then what we can do is we can calculate output, and we'd say output is $500 worth of bread and $250 worth of suits is $750. And we do the same arithmetic for year 2. You're going to fill in the values, and you can figure out something. And that gives us measures of output. Let's do it real quick. 600 times 1, $600 worth of bread. And we're going to have 55 instead of 50. 5 more. 5 more suits, that's $25 more suits, so that's going to give us $275. And so pretty quick, we're going to say $875, and we see that there's more output. Let's have you compare, and what do you find? Well, I'm going to leave that just like that for now, because the question, of course, is what's going to happen. What if prices change? What if prices change will be our next topic. Okay, that's it for now. Good day, eh?